bright side, it will suddenly seem like you're getting much better service from your cable company. Look, I'm just glad I got Oil Heat. With local oil heat service folks who not only know how to answer a phone, but actually provide a time when they'll be at my house, as opposed to a window between Tuesday and Armageddon.
Natural gas. What a joke. A message from the Better Home Heat Council. For more information, go to dvfda.org.
Visit Welsh Subaru of Limerick and check out the all-new 2010 Subaru Legacy and Outback. Welsh Subaru of Limerick is loaded with new and certified pre-owned vehicles. Shop 24/7 at welshsubaru.com.
Big D.